learning English speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all. In a bustling city, there stood a grand old bank known as Evergreen Savings. It was a symbol of trust and security, with its imposing marble facade and a history that stretched back for generations. At the heart of Evergreen Savings was its dedicated and well-respected bank manager, Victoria Grant. Victoria had spent the better part of her career nurturing the bank's reputation and building strong relationships with both her staff and the bank's loyal customers. Her passion for banking and her commitment to ethical practices made her a beloved figure in the community. However, one fateful day, the tranquility of Evergreen Savings was shattered. It started as a whisper among the employees, rumors of financial irregularities and suspicious transactions. The whispers grew louder until it reached Victoria's ears. She couldn't believe it, but there were strong indications that one of her trusted staff members, Timothy, who had worked at the bank for over a decade, might be involved in hacking the bank's systems. Victoria's first instinct was to confront Timothy privately. She had known him for so long and considered him a friend. Yet, when she asked him about the allegations, his eyes darted nervously, and he denied any involvement. Victoria was torn. She had no concrete evidence, but the rumors were persistent, and the bank's reputation was at stake. Determined to get to the bottom of things, Victoria decided to take matters into her own hands. She secretly enlisted the help of a brilliant cybersecurity expert, Alex, whom she knew through a professional network. Alex agreed to discreetly investigate the bank's systems. What they discovered was shocking. It turned out that Timothy had indeed been using his knowledge of the bank's internal systems to siphon off small amounts of money from numerous customer accounts into a hidden offshore account. Over the years, he had accumulated a substantial sum without raising suspicion. Victoria, torn between her loyalty to the bank and her friendship with Timothy, faced a difficult decision. She knew that the reputation of Evergreen Savings and the trust of its customers were paramount. Reluctantly, she reported the findings to the authorities, and Timothy was arrested. The revelation sent shockwaves through the bank, and the news made headlines across the city. Victoria faced criticism for not detecting the fraud sooner, but she remained steadfast in her commitment to restoring the bank's integrity. She worked tirelessly to reassure customers and implement tighter security measures. In the end, Victoria's dedication to doing what was right prevailed. Evergreen Savings emerged from the crisis stronger than before, with a renewed focus on security and transparency. While it was a painful chapter in the bank's history, it served as a powerful reminder that even in the most trusted institutions, betrayal can lurk in unexpected places. Victoria's unwavering commitment to the bank's values and her determination to uphold its reputation became a source of inspiration not only within Evergreen Savings but also in the wider financial community. Her story reminded everyone that even in the face of betrayal, integrity and honesty must always prevail. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.